Hear that? That is what powers this. The MG ZS EV is one of the most desirable EVs in the market right now. I have the car with me here, so let's take a quick look at the tech inside the MG ZS EV. So to start with, we get 4 cameras on the outside of this car, one at the front, one at the back and 2 at the each ORVMs. Now these cameras don't only give us a view of the front and the back, they also give a 360-degree view of the car, which is very useful in tight spaces. Now while having a 360-degree view is a great feature, the quality of these cameras is not the best that we have seen, at least in this segment. There is also this ADAS module which activates level 2 ADAS using a camera and a sensor. Now this helps the car stay in lane with lane keep assist, activates the collision mitigation system which will automatically brake the car in case the car spots an emergency, and of course there's also adaptive cruise control. Now we also have these nice LED headlamps which come with intelligent headlamp control which adjusts the beam according to the oncoming traffic, surroundings and even gives the dipper in case you are passing somebody at a higher speed. So on the inside we have this nice big 10.1 inch infotainment display which is the access to all your vehicle settings, your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AC controls and other vehicle settings. Now it does the job, but this screen is not the most responsive or the most smoothest that we have used in this segment. Further, there's more confusing stuff with this infotainment system. For example, there is an AC button, but pressing that button doesn't turn on the AC. Once you press the button, it takes you to the vehicle settings and then you have to use this display to turn on the AC. If you want to do it with the button, you'll have to long press the AC button to turn it on and off. Similar is the case with the ADAS settings. Now while all the indicators and the alerts are on the digital instrument cluster, the settings are deep down inside the menu. You have to go to your home screen, go to more and then divulge into the vehicle settings to be able to turn off the ADAS settings or turn them on. There's also this really pretty drive selector here which gives you the option for reverse, neutral and drive, and of course there's also the parking button on the selector itself. Now with this car we get 3 driving modes: Eco mode, normal mode and sport mode. There is also KERS or KERS or Kevlar Energy Reservoir System which engages the brake a little the moment you step off the gas in order to regenerate the energy for a longer range. Now coming to the digital instrument cluster, here we get a 7-inch display which shows you the battery temperature, the battery voltage, the power delivery and the battery indicator. Along with this we also get the range of your current trip or information on your current trip. There's the KERS indicator, the KERS indicator. There is also the tire pressure monitor, and of course you can also set this according to your personal preference in terms of brightness and the display options. Furthermore, we also get a PM 2.5 filter built within the AC itself. There's this massive panoramic sunroof. We also get other safety features like hill hold assist, you get the hill descent assist, you get the ESC, you get blind spot indicators and you get 6 airbags with the MG ZS EV. However, this car also misses out on some tech features. For example, we don't get ventilated seats or auto dimming rear view mirror, which we pretty much get in all cars in this segment. But all that can be overlooked because the MG ZS EV is super fun to drive. Now this car makes 175 bhp of power and 280 Newton meter of torque, which is available at an instant. The result: 0 to 100 in just 8.4 seconds, which is the fastest on any sub 30 lakh car. And charging के लिए, once you open this rather quirky door handle, there is the fast charger which is installed by the company, by the way, and then this is the normal charger or the slower charger which you can use at your house. Now इस charger को आप लगा सकते हैं किसी भी wall socket में, and then this end will go in your car's port. Now on the outside only we have the charging port itself, which comes with a slow charging and a fast charging, both ports. And of course, since it's an EV, there is no engine under the hood, but we do get a couple of motors, the fuse box, the battery and the likes. So that was the MG ZS EV for you. Now the car is one of the most desirable EVs in the market, and after experiencing it myself, I know why. Now none of the fancy tech, the auto dimming mirrors, the ventilated seats, all of that does not matter if you just have fun while driving the car. So yes, in terms of tech it scores low in my whole opinion, but in terms of the fun factor, this car scores very high. Thank you so much for watching. This is Dara Mansoor Ali signing off. I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe to Digit for more fun and more cars with more tech coming your way very soon.